Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to see the unboxing of daily disposable contact lenses. Suppose if you wear eyeglasses, just you can remove those eyeglasses and you can use daily disposable contact lenses so that you can just use it in a day and throw it. So you can use everyday fresh, neat, dust-free contact lens. Wow! I have unboxed it and see. This is the company from which I have ordered this contact lens. 30 soft contact lenses are available. It is of daily disposable. Daily use it and throw it. Okay. Let's open it. Wow. In one set, it has 5 lenses. Okay. So 10, 20, 30 available. Total 30 lenses are available. For 1 month you can use. If you didn't use one day, you can use it on another day. Okay. It is of -3 power for one eye. If you would like to order for both eye, you got to use your both eye prescription and you can order it. Okay. If you like to order this daily disposable contact lens, just use the product link attached in this video itself and use it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.